Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. So we got a quick little weekend job today, and me and Mr. Anonymous on the job, and we have got a flat roof to do. We are going to be removing a flat roof, rubber flat roof. Nothing wrong with the roof, but we're actually going to be raising the roof because they want it internally. They want to raise the ceilings, so we've got to take the whole roof off, put new joists. Actually, we're going to break the wall up by one more course, put new rafters in, deck it out, fascia boards, and we're going to fiberglass this one. So I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. So this is the old roof, fiberglass. I don't know what the hell that thing is. But yeah, this is it. So eventually we're actually going to come back and remove this garage door and break it up and put a window in here as well. But so yeah, we've got to, I'll show you what we're going to do. We've got to take this ceiling, or this roof, there's the rafters, which are actually running across currently. This is a block wall that I did for them a little while ago, and there's now a downstairs loo on the other side of that, and this beam is holding up the wall above, and this is the ceiling height, which is internal to the house, and this is the external one, which you can see is slightly lower. So we're going to bring it all, I believe we're bringing the rafters up to this height so that the ceiling will be one level all the way down. So let's get this roof and ceiling off. Move it in. We see no raptors coming across. So what we not copy. Okay. So these decking boards are actually in good condition. Could be reused if we were going fiberglass on top, but they're all getting binned. And completely dry, so this is well protected under this rubber. And we've got good LED flash in here, so we're going to try and reuse this. We'll just have to bend this up, and we can reuse this LED flash in perfectly good condition. Yeah. Oh yeah. Go on, pull your side. Mhm. Cool. Nice. It's all gone now. So what we'll do is we'll get the plate on there first. And the thing is, we have a concrete beam there. We need to drill it above the concrete. So we need to drill it more in the brick that's on top of the, and then when we set our joists, we can them hangers we can use them and drop the joist down hanging down a little lower to line the bottom of the joist with the concrete. You know what I mean? Okay. I need to just give him a shout and double check just to make sure the ceiling is lining with the bottom of the concrete. I'm pretty sure it is, but let me give him a call. So we bolted the wall plate, just fitting the joist hangers on now. This is where our joists are going to go. So the guy's supplying us the materials, but he didn't give us any nails for these. So, and he's not here, so we need to get on with this. So what we're doing is just putting just some screws to hold it for now, so we can get on, and then we can get some nails and add the nails in from underneath. That way we don't get delayed. We can continue working. So once we get these in, we can fit the rafters in, and then we're gonna have to brick up this wall on the side, probably about 3 courses. Let's have a look on the other side. You can see it here. Probably replace some of these bricks as well, to be honest, because they've got a lot of this old tar and paint as well, as you can see. So we might take that row off. Right, so this is where we're at now. I'll show you what we've done. You can see we've raised at the request of the guy that we're doing the job for. He's an old builder, and he just said stick a piece of 2x4 on there to raise that up to where he wants it. So now he's got 2.4 ceiling inside. Eventually, as I said, there's going to be a window here, so there'll be a concrete lintel where that brick is sitting that will span across to the other side, and then it will have brickwork done on the front here, and you can see rafters up as well. So now we've taken off the top row of bricks that was there, which was laid all over the place because obviously they were buried under the fascia boards before. So we're going to run 3 courses there along here, so he wants, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. So just getting our mortar ready, and one more after. He's just gone to get us another bracket because he was short of 1 bracket, and ladies bricks, and then we can put our OSB down. Actually, we're going to cut our fairings, put our fairings, and then OSB, and then that is where we want to get for today. Tomorrow we put the fascia boards, put the trims in, and fiberglass it. So guys, this is what we got to today. We put some bricks on this wall here, and a little bit on the other side, which we haven't finished yet. We'll complete that bit tomorrow. We got to put some more nails in these brackets
we managed to pick up some nails, so we started putting the nails in. We've cut and put our fairings on, as you can see as well. Fairings are on. So tomorrow we can finish a little bit more bricks there, and then we can start boarding this up. So yeah, we should get this done tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Thanks for watching.